Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Hubcap Point Outdoors. We're back down at the Oconee River trusses today, but today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different. We're not going to be catfishing, we're not going to be bass fishing, we're not going to be fishing for panfish or brim or whatever anybody likes to call them. Today we're actually going to be fishing for freshwater mullet. Joseph's already down here, he's got the salt block already, he's waiting on me to get down here with a kayak so we can kayak it over to the sandbar that we're going to fish on. But once we get over there, we're going to put the salt block out in the water and we're going to wait and we're going to sit there and we're going to fish right on top of that salt block. And hopefully we're going to catch us a mess of mullet today. But you guys already know the routine. We're going to continue to drive on down in here. Like I say every single time we come down here, it's a long drive down in here, but I'll get back with you guys when we get down to the ramp and get everything ready to go in the water. Alright guys, surprise surprise, we're down here at the trussels again, and we're going to give our shot at mullet fishing today. We got a salt block, we got some sinking fish food. We're going to put it out there and hopefully we'll attract some. We fish with a little bitty red wiggler on a small hook, and I fish personally with a brim buster because it's the easiest way to go ahead and land them. But my buddy is going to be fishing with a pin. It's a catfish rod, but he's rigged it up with some 10-pound test braid, and he's gonna put some small cork. You gotta have a small sinker and a small hook and small bait. That's what these fish really go for. They're around it. I hear music. I hear music too. I need a net. I need a net. Here's the net. Oh God. That's cool. No, it's not really, but all right. That's all it takes. All right. Hey, we got our first mullet. Little one. I got him. Oh, well, at least I got him on camera. Yeah, I had him for a second. Hey man, grab the net next time. Yes sir. Right, there we go. Grab the net. Yeah, I'm marking my way that way, homie. Come on this way. Come on this way. Yep, nope. Come back this way. Nope. Oh, get in the net. Get in the net. Got him in the net. Got him in the net. And ladies and gentlemen, that is a mullet. Oh, you see that? Right there. No, but I'm sure the camera did. Actually, I'm not really sure it did either, but we're just going to pretend like it did. I'm going to change baits because that moss is coming down and they're like knocking the fuck. Come on. Come on, Rabbit. Come back this way. Nope, nope. Where do you go? Come here. Alright. We have another mullet, ladies and gentlemen. There he is. Yep. All right, guys, so we've been here for a while. We've caught a few fish. We've been fishing for a while, but unfortunately, some people showed up. It's kind of putting a hamper on our fishing abilities, so we're gonna fish for just a little bit while longer, and we're gonna at least try to catch one more fish for you guys, and if we do, you guys will see it, and if not, well, we'll catch you guys back at the boat ramp.
Oh, hey.
I know, right?
I'm trying not